I'm going to show you how to be a vegan and how to be an entrepreneur, your own boss.
Uh-oh. Let's turn these lights on. Clap on. There you go. Oh, you look so pretty. What's going on, everybody? Jeremiah, the entrepreneur here, aka Jeremiah Vegan. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start your business as a vegan. If you're online and you're a vegan, guess what? You're in luck. You're in luck if you want to make money. Oh yeah, we talking about that today. Now, this video might be a little lengthy because I am going to go over a couple of things because there's so many options to choose from. There's an overwhelming amount of options to make money online, especially as a vegan. Some people don't know what their niche is. Fortunately for you, your niche is, I'm assuming, veganism. Since you're a vegan, you want to talk about the lifestyle and you want to promote whatever you want to promote. That is a way for you to make money online. A lot of people think that they need a lot of money to start their own business, and that couldn't be any more further away from the truth, especially if you are looking to grow your business online. It does help for you to have a website to get everything going, but you don't necessarily need a website. You can simply do what I'm doing right now, which is doing these YouTube videos and just promote whatever I want to promote. But keep in mind, when you're doing that, you're making sure, you want to make sure that you're bringing something of value to your potential viewer when you're building your audience. One of the ways that you can make money without using a website, so we're going to just talk about ways that you can make money at a very, very low cost. And one of those ways that you could, create income for yourself is be an affiliate marketer, okay? Affiliate marketer is someone who sells other people products in exchange for commission, okay? So if somebody got a product that's relative towards your niche, let's say veganism, since we're talking about vegan stuff, how to do it as a vegan business owner, what you want to do is you can go to different affiliate websites, okay? Affiliate websites are places where vendors go on these sites, upload their product, and then marketers will go on these websites to find a product that they can promote. And each time someone purchases something from that product through the link that's attached to your account, you will be compensated for it. So it all varies on the vendor that you choose to promote, the vendor that whose product you chose to promote. So there might be a product that will give you $100 commission, and the product may be $175. There might be a product that is $30, and they'll give you they might give you $20 off of that product. There might be a product that's $17, and they might give you a commission for $10 each time someone purchases it. Okay, so let me give you guys an example on this website called Clickbank. Okay, let's turn it on right here. I got my headphones on. 3, 2, 1. Booyah shaka. Okay. Alright, so look. This is Clickbank. I'm already logged in. You need to create you an account, obviously. Fill out all of the necessary information. If you look in that little orange rectangle thing, you will see that, they want you to confirm your address. I just created this account just as an example for you guys. So this is a way that you could make your money, okay? It's really easy to use. It's a really easy system. It's pretty popular. I don't think it's the most popular
affiliate marketing site, but it is one of the most popular. And vendors could, they create an account, they can get their product listed on here, and marketers find products to sell that is related towards their niche. Okay, so they say, well, let me go on Clickbank and see if there's a product that I can promote because I don't have my own product, or I just want to make an additional income with affiliate products if I have like a strong email list. So this kind of what looks like through the dashboard place where you could kind of see your sales, your snapshots, your daily sales and stuff like that. Then you have the knowledge base to where if you're not familiar on how the Clickbank platform works, you can go check that out. If you click on marketplace, this is where you're going to get your products from, okay? They kind of briefly tell you, they have some information here, how to find products, new to affiliate marketing. They promoting that knowledge-based platform that I was telling you about, that tab. Then on the left side, these are your categories for different options that you can choose from, okay? You got your games, which I talked about in another video. Then you got your health and fitness that we're going to click on because I know for a fact that when you are talking about health and fitness, you can find stuff related towards vegans, okay? So as you can see, if you're interested in health and fitness, you can even go towards this, depending on what niche you're interested in. You can find a product to promote. And you can look at health and fitness and different products. And then on the right hand side, you can see that right under health and fitness, it gives you the description of the product. And under that, it gives you, like, once you get familiar with what gravity is and some of the terminologies that they use, you'll be able to understand this. You still have to do the work. I'm just telling you how you can make money. And then on the right hand side, it's going to tell you the average that you can get per sale for each time someone purchased that product through your link. So essentially what you can do is you can do a video, like I talk about veganism, right? So I can talk about veganism and I can pick a product and I can say that, okay, I got this product. If you guys are interested, y'all can look in the description below and purchase it. So each time someone purchases through that link that I post, I would get a commission for it. I don't have to have a website. I don't have to have anything like that. But it is your responsibility to do your own due diligence and don't promote just anything. I recommend that you actually purchase the product yourself before you actually go and promote it. Because if you promoting someone else's product and it looks real shady and stuff like that, that's gonna hurt your credibility. So keep that in mind and be transparent. Let people know that they are an affiliate, that they're partnered with this product, that you're partnered with this product. So you can do that. This is just an option that I'm just sharing with you guys. Like I put in vegan top of the search bar, right? And this is what came up when I put in vegan. You have all of these options to choose from. You got your vegan bodybuilding, the plant-based muscle gaining recipe book. If you're interested in that, make sure that you are really careful on what you promote, because I personally don't promote a lot of some of these. I looked at these before, and I don't promote. I don't like a lot of them because they just have these long sales page. Me personally, I don't promote anything I don't like. If I don't like the way your website is structured, I'm not going to tell people to go to it. So make sure that you just kind of keep a lookout for that. I don't like long sales pages. It just doesn't look good to me. There's like an eyesore. But like I was telling you, once you figure out what product you want, you're going to click promote. And then you can read this. You can earn 75% of each paying customer you refer to this product. For details, please enter your nickname, checking ID. And that's optional. And then this is important. Once you click on that field, you're going to get links to choose from. One of these links, I typically take the first link. This is your bread and butter. So if you're promoting a product and you want to get commission for it, this is how they track where the customer is coming from. So this is how you would get paid. So once you attach your banking information to your account, If they buy it, you are getting paid, okay? So that's very important. And you can even set it up to where you can create a website if you want to. Create a website, and then if you have a product that you want to promote, you can have a link and you can have a button say like get your recipe here, and then they'll click on the button and it will redirect them towards that landing page that you connected with that link, okay? And I don't want to get too much in detail on that because this is not what this video is about. I don't want to confuse you or overwhelm you, but that's just an option that you have if you decide to go that route. Now I'm signing out. This is what I look like after I go back to the home page, and that is just a way for you to make moolah using Clickbank. Okay, let me exit out of that. Okay, boom. Alright, so that's one way that you can make money, okay? So we went over affiliate marketing. Now we're going to talk about another source of income that you can get when you are a vegan. Way that vegans can make money online is blogging. If you're not familiar with blogging, you have to rock on any block. I'm really rock on any block. I'm really rock on it. Yeah, like he was saying, I know he stopped, but like he was saying, if you're not familiar with blogging, what are you? Constantly who are you? Well, I'm your conscience. What are you doing? Like, how do you even get up there? I'm up here because I'm your conscience. You thought of me. Hold on, let me stop this for a second. Like he was saying, a blog is when you're constantly updating your website consistently. Typically, it's when a small range of people let me get my gun. Let me get my gun. Wait a minute, Black Lives Matter. Excuse that dude for whatever reason that happened. I don't know why. But listen, another source of income that you can add on, or another path that you can take to create income online for your vegan brand, is to write a blog. If you're not familiar with a blog essentially is a website that you could constantly update posts on regarding certain content that you want to give to people for them to read. I'll give you an example with my screen. Okay, so we're going to pull up this screen. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is Google, okay? Typically when you want to know something, what do? You go to Google. Let's put in how to be something. Let's do tips to prevent skin cancer. That's the result came up. Let's go ahead and put that in. Alright, let's look at some of the results that came up right here. Boom. Okay, looks like that's from a National Council of Skin Prevention. Okay, this isn't what we're looking for. This is kind of like, it's kind of a blog, but that's not the ideal thing that I was looking for. Let's try to go to prevention guidelines, skincancer.org. Let's see if there's a blog that come up. This is kind of a blog as well. But it's not exactly what I'm looking for. This is more like an organization. I'm looking for a blog. So I'm going to try to put in another blog. We're going to try to put in Money Blog, okay? Money Blog right here. You're going to go to this one. This is Millennial Blog. So I've been here before. So this is kind of like what a blog looks like. It's by Millennial Money, as you can see at the top. And what you're gonna do is you can post content about whatever you want to talk about. Here it looks like it's several articles that I'm probably going to reference in another video, going over some of these articles on money related topics. So you can definitely do that as a vegan. You can constantly just create a blog. It doesn't cost like a whole bunch of money to start like a website like everybody does. You can just look it up, how to start a blog online if you want to know how to do a blog, and you just be consistent with your articles and then you use similar keywords like SEO and all this other stuff, and it'll take a couple of months. It might take a while depending on your competitiveness, but all it takes is consistency, a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of work, because it's definitely going to take some work, and eventually you're going to start ranking. And that's for free traffic. Now, there's other ways that you can go about doing this and promoting yourself. You can do videos like I'm doing, figure out how to do video marketing, which I also cover in this on this channel, and I'm getting ready to come out with a course once I develop my audience on how to do video marketing. There's so many ways that you can actually go about marketing yourself and creating an income for yourself online. So blogging is something that you can do, that a lot of people do. I do want to give a tip, and I'm going to cover this possibly in another video. A tip when you're actually writing a blog, when you're starting a blog, a lot of people do one piece of content at a time. And that's the same thing with videos. When you're doing some kind of content marketing or video marketing, you want to offer something of value, you want to give some content to the people, some information for people, you want to be consistent with it. The easiest way to do that is to do your stuff, do several pieces of content all at one time. For example, if you want to be a blogger, right? If you want to write a blog, what you can do is, instead of just writing a blog and then publishing it, do several blogs at a time. Write several pieces of articles at a time. They're 10, 12 articles. Once you get 10 to 12 articles, then you can start posting consistently, okay? Then you can start posting every day or two, or every couple of days, every week. I don't recommend a week. I would do it every day, honestly. And I would write so many articles to last me a certain amount of time before I run out of articles. But by that time, I already got another 12 articles stacked up. So that's a way that you can go about doing it, instead of posting an article and then you got to think about, like, okay, I got to do another article a day, what article the next day, what I'm going to talk about. Then you got to worry about writer's block and all this other kind of stuff. You need to do that all at one time. Same thing with videos. If you want to be a video marketer, if you want to be a blogger on YouTube, you want to establish an audience, all you have to do is be consistent. Now, I know you guys might be wondering, well, how was he able to do that? And you don't really got a whole lot of subscribers on YouTube. Let me get to that. My first client, first of all, I got over 3,500 subscribers on my other channel, okay? I share another channel with one of my business partners. His name is Toon. He goes by Toon Goodwin. I was able to come in and build his following. He had 200 subscribers, and we were able to build his subscriber base to 3,500, where we made over $2,500 off of 3,000 subscribers. So that goes to show you that this stuff actually works. Now I'm building my own brand, and now I'm teaching people how to do it as well. So you can either take the information, or I wish you the best of luck. But I'm assuming, since you're watching me, you like me, I like you. Subscribe. Tell me what you think. If you guys want me to cover any other ways on how to create income, I can still think of a bunch of ideas, but I don't want this video to be that long. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yo! What's going on, YouTube? Jeremiah, the vegan entrepreneur here, and I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe. All you have to do is go to my videos or something like that and click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click the bell. The bell is the key to success. That is going to allow me to come up and let you know each time I get a video. Thank you.